The Baltic Dry Index is often called a leading indicator for the global economy. Let's look at why this shipping metric matters to investors. At its core, the index measures the cost of moving raw materials like coal, iron ore, and grain across the ocean. It tracks price changes across 22 major sea routes, capturing the daily pulse of international commodity demand. Think of it as supply and demand for cargo space. When factories are busy, they need more raw materials, pushing shipping prices higher. While the stock market looks at past earnings, the Baltic Dry Index acts like a crystal ball for the global economy by tracking raw materials. Because it measures raw inputs, the index often reacts to economic shifts before they show up in broader GDP reports. Remember, while it is a useful barometer for global industrial activity, external factors like new shipbuilding can also influence the numbers. The Baltic Dry Index is just one piece of the economic puzzle. Subscribe for more financial deep dives and save this for your research.